First, I want to say thank you to the members of the press for this opportunity to put things straight. You are aware we had a little altercation with CS Duale in the committee, the health committee. And in that committee, you realized Honorable Duale, the CS for Health, was trying to intimidate the entire committee to the extent that most members walked out. He insinuated that a majority of members in that committee do not understand standing orders because they are members of parliament who've just been elected for the first time. Secondly, he was intimidating our chairman, and to the extent the vice chairman confronted him and he dismissed him and belittled him, which made the vice chair leave that particular meeting. I have been consistent in my concerns about SHA since the onset. The media can attest to this. I have asked hard questions, and this ministry, I can tell you, like Honorable Duale was chased by the military from the Ministry of Defense, it is the same advice I would like to give President William Ruto. Duale will mess you, or he's already messing you in the Ministry of Health. His high-handedness, his recklessness, his disrespect for professionals is extreme. Today, we were asking him questions that we gathered as a committee from the ground when we visited various facilities and when we spoke to members of the public from across the country. And he was quick to defend himself and dismiss us. And each time we ask Duale hard questions, he comes up with stories. If it is a hospital that is asking Duale questions, he will quickly say that that hospital is involved in fraud so that he doesn't pay them. Now that I have decided to be hard on him on the issues that emanate from mismanagement of SHA, his complicity and his what I can call conflict of interest in SHA, when I ask him questions, he quickly says that I own hospitals. I have tried to ask Honorable Duale to demonstrate to me which hospitals I own. He can bring out the CR12. He can even take photos of those particular hospitals and show Kenyans. Each time I ask him questions, that is what he comes up with. Yet we know Duale changed the CR12 for his Medina Hospital in Garissa, Medina Pharmaceuticals that supplies to KEMSA. He is the owner of the company called Convergence. Convergence is the company that is running SHA. And I'm ready to testify this anywhere. He changed the CR12 of Convergence in December of 2024. So we know that Honorable Duale is involved in the theft of SHA funds. Honorable Duale is involved in frustrating hospitals. Honorable Duale is ensuring that the benefits that a majority of Kenyans are supposed to get are strained so that what the funds that Kenyans pay to SHA go to the pockets of Duale and his friends. I'm calling upon the media. You need to run this story and demonstrate to Kenyans that we have a problem in this country. And you, President William Ruto, I have tremendous respect for you. This man is bringing you down. His arrogance, disrespect for the committee, to the extent he's saying he will write to the Speaker of the National Assembly to reconstitute our committee. Since when did that happen? Duale is big-headed. He is disrespectful. He disrespects even professionals in the ministry. We have received a lot of complaints. Even the recruitment of SHA staff, it was done in a very irregular way. They just ensured their friends and relatives got those jobs. So we are calling upon the president. We are calling upon our committee that I sit in, that I feel is complicit, because I'm not the one who was supposed to be sent out. It is this witness who was hostile, who was supposed to be sent out. And I want to tell Honorable Nyikal, our chairman, you should not live on borrowed values. You should be able to stand firm on your ground. There is no way you allow Duale to run the processes of the committee. And that is why members walked out. You realize our vice chairman walked out because Duale disrespected him. The various other members of parliament, including Madam Cynthia Muge from Nandi. So we are saying it is high time Kenyans get to know that the thieves in Shah are Duale and his friends. And I will not stop saying this. I'm told he was telling his friend he will deal with me. And I'm telling you, Duale, I will also deal with you. This is our country. This is not your mother's kitchen. Thank you.